Hi Sagittarius, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for May 2022. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also using this oracle deck that I have here. Sagittarius, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading, Sagittarius. Towards the final days of April, stepping into May 2022, we have the King of Pentacles. Financial transactions had been uppermost on your mind. Perhaps you had also benefited on account of someone who was very generous towards you. Incidentally, Sagittarians, in these final days, maybe you were coming across someone who was quite pushy, and this was rubbing your family members or even your colleagues the wrong way. I think you also had to take responsibility in these final days of April. Obstacles to overcome are the challenges that May is going to present for Sagittarians worldwide as the King of Wands. We have two kings in your reading, so I think you need to cooperate a bit. Maybe there'll also be times or opportunities when you need to be more creative. I think your family members could also promote your talents. Maybe you also feel that within the family environment you're a bit stifled. There could be some outside influences here. Perhaps Sagittarians, you're also dealing with someone who is going to underestimate your talents, but you are going to come good. We have the Ten of Cups. Overall, you will feel quite content except for some minor worries. Maybe within the family you feel that your voice is being ignored. Maybe your elders or loved ones don't see eye to eye when it comes to your point of view. Nevertheless, I think Sagittarians, you are going to receive positive feedback. I think the need here is to be more flexible in your approach. Even as a leader, I think you need to give your juniors some freedom. Other than that, Sagittarians, this month is also promising spiritual growth. Maybe past life experiences are also going to be there, or you are going to gain some spiritual insight. Maybe you should also focus on spiritual cleansing. The first 10 days of May, we have the Queen of Pentacles here. Definitely you are going to make gains, but then you should look at the larger picture. There could be some people who could be acting behind your back. That is why I think you need to be mindful of those around you who are wishy-washy. Again, Sagittarians, this month there could also be issues with respect to technical gadgets. While working also, I think you should review the tasks before you submit them because there could be mistakes. Sometimes, you could also lack motivation. You may lack the drive. Nevertheless, I think financial matters or financial transactions, banking work will also keep you busy. I think while dealing with clients or with your boss, you should also ask for an increase. Maybe clients want to pay a pittance, but then you should put your foot down. The next 10 days, that is 11 to 20th, May, we have the Death card. This is from the Major Arcana, so there's going to be change. It's going to transform you. You cannot resist the change which is there in the offing because it becomes more difficult, or it could imply self-sabotage. I think there's also an urgency in your step. You are someone who wants to complete the task, or you're going to be compelled to attend to pressing matters. However, you can take heart from the fact that you will be able to complete the task quickly. Even while dealing with clients, I think you should make allowances for them, especially in these days. Maybe you also believe that some people are very ungrateful. I think this is the best period if you want to counter-attack, or if you want to speak to your administrator about the ploys of a rival who is hell-bent on making it difficult for you. The final days of May, we have the Ace of Wands. This is from 21st to 31st May, that is. You definitely crave newness at this time. I think there's going to be heightened activity. Maybe your energy levels are also very high and you're going to get the support from others, but then you should take everything with a pinch of salt. Some people can promise much, but then when it comes to payment, your clients may dither or they back out. Even if you're going for an interview, I think you should understand that what's on the surface may not come about. So you should look closely and not allow anyone to take you for a ride. Interestingly, Sagittarians, in this time or in this month, you could also hear from a strange people. Maybe they are going to inquire about you behind your back. Maybe Sagittarians, in these days, you could also find your boss ignoring your views. Maybe the boss favors a subordinate who seems to threaten your position, and this doesn't go down well with you. Maybe you also have to surrender to what the boss wants, especially in these final days. Nevertheless, I think this month you're going to receive gifts as well, or there'll be compliments for the way you carry on with the tasks at hand. Respect your love life, Sagittarians. I have this card, kiss and make up. Maybe this is true for those of you who have disagreements with your person. Maybe you feel that your lover isn't as demonstrative as you would have liked. Though we have the Ace of Wands here, which talks about sexual tension in your relationship, I think you could also have certain misunderstandings. You do want to feel content in your relationship. Maybe for some Sagittarians, there's also the possibility that you could hear from an ex. Maybe it's time to give that relationship a second chance. Because of this card, kiss and make up, you need to understand that this person has deep feelings for you. This could very much be a transformative experience for you. Nevertheless, I think single Sagittarians, I think your admirers definitely are smitten. In fact, even those who are married could be insecure in your presence. Maybe you make them go weak in the knees. But you should also be careful because there's going to be unwanted attention. Maybe there are lecherous men around. Maybe that is why we have this card, free yourself. It's time to take back control of your life. From the Romance Angel deck, there could be certain situations when you may be feeling as though you're being pushed to a corner in a relationship. So that is why your angels are asking you to free yourself from such claustrophobic circumstances or from such a relationship. Perhaps Sagittarians, in case you are in an unhappy connection, maybe you want to free yourself or you want to unshackle yourself because you see no future with this person. I think even if you're in a relationship or even if you're married, you need to be more tactful. Maybe you need to be polite with your in-laws. I think many of you will also be the caregiver this month. You'll be concerned about the health of a loved one. In case Sagittarians, you're crushing on someone, I think you want to reach out to this person. Love is definitely on your mind and love is all you need. The final message from the universe is Grapes, which talks about satisfaction. I think the overall feeling of contentment is there this month. Maybe many of you are also going to be in a celebratory mood. You're going to celebrate your achievements, or perhaps because you're going to reconcile in a certain relationship, then you need to go out and celebrate the occasion. I hope Sagittarians, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.